Good morning. So today I really want to talk to you about the difference between derma-rolling, derma-stamping, and the pen. And I see a lot of videos on YouTube. People are explaining why they like this, why they like that, but I have not seen anything that shows what it does to your skin. And I have a clay impression that I'm going to show you. So for those of you who are unfamiliar with the three types of dermal penetration with the needles, these are them, and this is what they look like on a clay impression. You've got the stamping, the pen, and the dermal roller. So this really gives you a good idea of what they're doing to your skin. First we have the roller, and as you can see, the penetration marks are not circular, or at least not very many of them are, because the needles are on a round device that's rolling on your skin, so the needles are going in at an angle and coming out at an angle. So basically it's tearing your skin as it's coming out. We have the pen, and this one gets dragged around on the skin, so you can see that it's causing a lot of trauma on the face. And if you notice, there's a lot of texture left behind from dragging and ripping the skin around. So that's your pen. This is the stamp, which is our favorite tool to use. And as you can see, the puncture marks are very even, and the skin looks the least traumatized by all of them. And you can get the serums in just as well on all three of them, but this causes the least amount of trauma to the skin and tearing. So now that you've seen the clay impression, you can decide for yourself what you want to do. Now, I prefer the Derma-Stamp, and I think it's kind of obvious why. But it's your choice to choose what you want to do.